What it do, YouTube? We in the new wheel. We're in the C300, man. Got the nice little night view. Yeah. Put a little kick in that mud. Ooh. Yeah. Make me put it in sport. Make me do the dash. 100K on the, let me turn my ventilator see something. Hey man, how y'all doing, man? Hey, we are in the new wheel. If you seen the video of this, it was me getting the car. Right now we're just doing a night drive, man. First night in the car. We you feel me? I'm just blessed by all means. Man. Got the black interior with the black wood. Oh my. Oh my. Can't lie. Hey, bless is an understatement. Like, I can't believe what I'm in the baby S class. Hey man, it's a beautiful sight, man. I still gotta get used to this, but I gotta get used to the reverse camera and all that. They got a 360 camera on here and it kind of splits the view. You feel me? I gotta see what features this car got. I know some of them, but it ain't the same car I was about to get. Literally, same color, different color outside, different packages. This the AMG package. The other one was the Pinnacle. So I know it don't have the ambient light in the vents, but it got the ambient light right under it though. I think that's the only thing missing is the vent lights parts AMOLED. But yeah, everything else, yeah, you see it. I'm just blue right now. I'm gonna change it around, but man, panoramic. Got a I ain't gonna lie, the mileage on the I'm gonna put in sport. Hey, how much mileage I got left on the it keep going up. When I think I got the car, it was at 421. Like, this thing runs some good miles. And I also think because of I think it got a hybrid engine in here. So yeah, really making some good mileage. Like, guy trying to race? Man. I just noticed this changed colors. I guess to the album cover. I just noticed that. Oh, that ventilator seat's coming through real nice. I just noticed that. Because when I was driving to the skating rink, it was blue. So, like, that's a hard feature. Like, for real. I'm trying to think of where I want to go get something to drink from. Cause I really don't need nothing to eat. I might go to McDonald's. And outside of McDonald's, do my car walk around. You feel me? That's the last thing I need to do for my car bill if I drop it in the morning. And this drop later on that night. So, you know, if you watching this, it's probably Wednesday, but I got this car on Tuesday. Literally the day before you watch this. Literally left the dealership, went home, freshen up a little bit, not too much, cause I'm about to go get sweaty. I just want to make sure, you feel me, extra layers of deodorant, make sure I'm good. Hop back out in traffic. Huh? I'm a trapper. I gotta go back and get this car detailed and get the app set up tomorrow during my break. But, feel me? I ain't gonna lie, it was a blessing. And I'm not gonna have 2 videos. I couldn't go home and record my videos. But, or maybe this is matching that. Maybe I'm just slow. Maybe it's me. It's matching the gauge cluster. I need to get my car set up because it ain't set up the right way. All right, top, yeah. But man, hey. This is a sign for you. Hey, keep grinding. You're going to get whatever you want in life. That's what I'm going to tell you. Just keep grinding. And God ain't going to put no more on your plate than you can handle. And crazy thing about it, I gave up on this car. I said, if I don't have it tomorrow, I give up. I'm going to grind for 6 months. Literally the next day. God said, hey, it's not on your time. It's on my timing. And I got to apologize to you, God. Yes, it is. It's on your timing. It's your time and not mine. That's a lot of our problems. We want stuff to happen on our timing instead of God's timing. Like, why I keep saying that thing keep going up. Am I just using the hybrid right now? That thing say 455 miles. God dang. When I say I'm blessed, I really mean it. How gas prices is, and the gas to empty keep going up. And you ain't put no gas in it. Hey, well, I'm telling you, when I left the dealership, it was at either 419 or 421. Y'all seen at one point in the video, it was 449. It is 455 on the gas handle. That's one thing it's missing is the heads up display. The other one had the heads up display, but you feel me? I mean, it is what it is. I already said that's something I could live without, was the heads up display. Hey, y'all let me know what's y'all favorite color, ambient light. I'm gonna play with them, get different colors. The interior black, so you know, it's gonna do its thing. So brake and charge it up. Man, y'all just don't know how happy I am, how blessed I feel. Hey man, hey, shout out to God again. I can't, this is not possible without him, man. Hey, if this don't tell you anything, it tell you whatever you put your mind to, you can find success. And if people don't believe you around you, find some more people that will believe in you. Because sometimes they don't believe in you until they see the success. Once they see the success, they'll start believing to you. But until then, hey, find some other people. If they're finding other people is finding yourself to believe in yourself, do that. Because I ain't gonna lie, for the first, I want to say until I got to probably 1,000 subscribers or so, is when I finally told people about I was doing YouTube. I didn't really tell nobody. I was like, this is a point I got approved. I didn't believe myself because I quit twice before the third time. And then that third time, I just put my head down and grinded. Did what I had to do. Then when I got over 1,000 subscribers, I was like, yeah, let me start inviting people who know me or know of me on my social media to subscribe. Be a part of the journey. Some joined, some didn't, but it's cool. I'm really just, you feel me? Just, you know, putting the work in one day at a time. You know, some of us like to shine, but you feel me? It is what it is. Well, is that coffee shop still open? I think they closed. I was about to say, man, who want coffee this late? Who out here really want this coffee? Man, that's a electric Mercedes. God, get in the turn lane, my guy. I don't think I got my safety sensors on. Up, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching with me. If it ain't too much, hey, could y'all just like the video for me and subscribe? And I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.